Yum Brands Inc., Value Chain Management, Daniel Giannichini, Purdue Global University, GB570, Managing the Value Chain, Sean Doyle, PhD, September 27th, 2026. Yum Brands Inc. operates and owns some of the most recognizable fast food restaurant brands worldwide. It was founded in 1997 by David Novad in conjunction with four iconic brands that have been around for decades: KFC, Taco Bell, Pizza Hut, and Habit Burger and Grill, to successfully become the world's largest restaurant company. Today, they operate 62,000 plus restaurants in 155 countries, owned and operated by 1,500 franchisees. Yum is 7.5 plus billion-dollar company with steady revenue growth for over half a decade. The company has plans to diversify its restaurant portfolio by entering the Mediterranean cuisine industry and expanding its operations by acquiring Little Greek Fresh Grill mid-sized private-owned fast food chain with 50 locations in 6 different states. As the company's marketing manager, I will be implementing the cross-functional collaboration and team leadership integration between the two companies by following the contemporary value chain model. As a marketing manager, my job is to create brand awareness and generate sales by connecting business goals and customer needs through strategy, planning, campaign management, market research, and other key responsibilities. But none of this is possible if the new leadership team and our company's culture are not aligned with each other. Contemporary value chain model helps us be more efficient because not only leadership and culture are the base of the model, but it creates a cross-functional collaboration within the other 8 key activities or departments by sharing real-time information to efficiently convert customer needs into values in the marketplace for competitive advantage. It is my job to bridge those departments and make the employees from Little Greek Fresh Grill not only to feel they are part of something bigger and help us create brand awareness by delivering the best customer service and product in the market. The concept map shows the interdependence of some key elements of the contemporary value chain model on a process to fulfill customer needs and deliver marketplace competitive advantage. Leadership is no longer a linear model of command and control. It is more of a genuine relationship between followers and leaders to guide each other to achieve the company goals. Corporate leaders need to be in constant communication with our in-store managers and non-managers on what is working or need improvement and how their feedback improve the company. Culture is about working together in harmony for the good of the group. It is about listening and respecting each other's feedback. A strong organizational culture with the right attitude, collective behavior, and collaboration between teams to achieve the desired purpose is efficient and effective because it sets us apart from competitors. If customers are complaining about our food quality, our in-store employees need to feel safe about our open door policy in reaching out to our procurement team without being retaliated. Procurement is no longer a back office transactional support thing anymore. It is part of the supply chain management The contemporary value chain models views procurement as an inbound and outbound logistics movement through a coordination flow of activities across different key elements straight to customers. It is an end to end orchestration by integrating all the different elements of the organization to provide a real time visibility across the entire value chain. Technology is part of the organization infrastructure, and its use is no longer just to automate tasks, but it is part of the organization's central operational layer. The advances in technology, artificial intelligence, and robotics, for example, makes conventional processes more flexible and effective. When a customer uses any of our available technology to order a gyro pita, not only creates efficiency by streamlining our process, but also improves communication within the firm. Information management is no longer just a data storage support function on a value chain. It is a strategic backbone of the organization because leaders will rely on the information provided by our technology to improve processes. The flow of information provided from a transaction is updated into our ERP system, and from a marketing manager perspective, it helps me understand customer behavior. Also, our ERP systems communicates with other softwares like SRM and CRM to create a horizontal workflow necessary for an efficient value chain, enabling us to build global relationships. It allows us to effectively and efficiently manage the value chain from a customer needs to final product. Yum Brands maintains a strong competitive advantage in the global quick service restaurant industry by maintaining an iconic, diversified portfolio supported by a massive footprint of over 62,000 restaurants. The company drives operational efficiency and rapid low capital expansion through a nearly 98% franchise business model, allowing specialized focus on brand strategy. Furthermore, Yum is accelerating its digital transformation with the Byte by Yum AI driven technology stacked to enhance customer personalization and operational accuracy, while its high brand equity ensures continued consumer loyalty. The company faces a mix of structural and market driven challenges characterized by inconsistent performance, where strong, consistent results from Taco Bell are often offset by sales headwinds at Pizza Hut, which require heavy intervention. The company's heavy reliance on a franchise model creates vulnerabilities, inconsistent, high quality execution across a vast global supply chain, while a historical reliance on discount driven promotions threatens long term brand equity and margin stability. Furthermore, despite ongoing innovations efforts, the core brands struggle with a traditional fast food perception, making it difficult to capture the growing health conscious consumer segment. As a marketing manager for Yum Brands, we can capitalize on the rise of solo dining through tailored single portion formats and personalized experiences and leveraging AI for highly customized sensory choice options via digital platforms. Also, there is potential for market expansion into emerging urban areas like China, where there is a shift in marketing focus towards emotional, vibe based appeals and everyday little luxuries, such as specialty snacks and beverages. 2026 is going to be a very challenging year for the company because of its volatile landscape with intense, costly competition and economic pressures from inflation, including rising labor and food costs. We must navigate rapid shifts in consumer preferences towards sustainable, health conscious options, alongside significant currency fluctuation and geopolitical risks in international markets. Furthermore, stringent regulatory ESG and compliance demands require continuous expensive investment to maintain brand trust. McDonald's maintains its position as a dominant global fast food leader through unrivaled brand recognition, high loyalty, and a vast strategic network of franchise locations that ensure maximum convenience and market penetration. The company drives customer frequency and actionable personalized marketing data through an effective digital strategy, including app and loyalty programs. Also, they reinforce its market position, particularly during economic downturns, by combining consistent global product quality with a strong value focus, value for money proposition. The company faces significant operational and brand related challenges, starting with a persistent consumer perception of their menu items as unhealthy, high calorie, and lacking nutritional value. This negative image is compounded by low product differentiation, making it easy for competitors to imitate the simple core menu. Internally, high employee turnover hinders service quality and creates a constant need for training. Also, McDonald's is highly susceptible to reputation damage regarding labor practice and food sourcing, a vulnerability exacerbated by a reliance on franchisees, which often results in inconsistent quality control and marketing execution across locations. McDonald's has a multifaceted business strategy centered on adapting to evolving consumer preferences and market demands. Their key initiatives include the expansion of healthier, plant based menu options to attract health conscious demographics, significant investment in enhanced digital delivery partnerships to meet the demand for greater convenience, and implementation of localized menu offerings to increase relevance in specific regional markets. Concurrently, this strategy involves leveraging corporate social responsibility efforts such as eco friendly packaging and sustainable sourcing to improve brand reputation and appeal to ethical consumers. Finally, the approach incorporates the premiumization of certain product lines to offer higher margin items and increase the average customer check size. The company faces significant vulnerabilities stemming from intense fast casual competition and evolving consumer demands for healthier, ethically sourced foods. Operational and reputational risks, such as potential food safety scandals, pose an existential threat. Also, McDonald's brand stability is susceptible to external economic pressures, including reduced consumer spending during economic downturns and the impact of fluctuating currency exchange rates on its global revenues. Yum Brands Inc. wants to diversify and expand its portfolio of fast food restaurants by acquiring Little Greek Fresh Grill, aka LGFG. a mid-sized fast food chain of Mediterranean cuisine with 50 locations in 6 states in the US. Yum Brands drives value through logistics and technology built for speed and low cost on a global scale. LGFG drives value through freshness and the fresh casual dining experience using open gallery kitchens, prioritizing food quality and authenticity. Yum Brand's acquisition of Little Greek Fresh Grill strategically diversifies its portfolio by leveraging the Mediterranean health halo to reach nutrition conscious consumers. By integrating the brand into the Yum digital ecosystem and the RSCS Purchase Cooperative, the company aims to rapidly scale LGFG's market presence while significantly lowering operational costs. Also, the brand's Open Gallery Kitchen will serve as an innovation hub to test premium, fast casual menu options that can be applied across Yum's global portfolio. The acquisition of Little Greek Fresh Grill by Yum Brands presents a generally positive outlook across the board, driven primarily by operational scaling and market expansion. Franchisees stand to benefit significantly from Yum's robust infrastructure, including superior technology and enhanced supply chain leverage, while the corporate entity successfully diversifies into burgeoning Mediterranean fast casual sector. While suppliers anticipate a favorable uptick in volume, customers face a mixed but mostly positive outcome. They gain broader access to healthy dining options, though this may be tempered by concerns that the brand's original local charm could be dismissed by corporate oversight. By integrating LGFG into Yum Brands' ecosystem, the partnership aims to drive rapid growth and operational efficiency through three pillars: economies of scale, advanced technology, and real estate expertise. LGFG will significantly lower its ingredient costs by leveraging $1.4 billion annual procurement power while simultaneously modernizing its customer service experience through the Byte by Yum AI powered digital ordering systems. These operational enhancements, combined with Yum's proven ability to scale brands globally, provide the infrastructure necessary to expand LGFG's footprint from 50 units to over 500 locations. Yum Brands' acquisition of Little Greek Fresh Grill from a merged value chain visualization perspective has LGFG work with local suppliers where Yum Global Procurement Network through scale increases margins by minimizing cost. Yum invests in AI technology in the kitchen to increase efficiency while LGFG preps the food in front of customer. LGFG works with local advertising companies in marketing within the community, while Yum's digital infrastructure can increase customer outreach, and through their global campaign, it attracts more people to the stores. Little Greek Fresh Grill is driving operational efficiency and market expansion through a three-pronged digital transformation strategy. By integrating Byte by Yum, AI for smarter inventory management, and tuk technologies for seamless omnichannel ordering, the brand is effectively reducing food waste while capturing a wider range of delivery and social media sales. These initiatives are anchored by a robust data analytics framework, allowing the company to decode Mediterranean consumer trends and refine the menu better meet evolving customer demands. Yum Brands and McDonald's employ distinct strategic frameworks to drive growth, with Yum prioritizing localized innovation through its RED marketing model and an asset light franchise structure to scale rapidly in international markets. McDonald's emphasizes operational simplicity and global scalability via its Velocity Growth Plan, leveraging massive purchase power and AI driven technologies to optimize customers' experience. While Yum focuses on cultural relevance and standardized coaching tools for its franchisees, McDonald's utilizes data driven insights and automated logistics to maintain its status as the industry benchmark for speed and efficiency. Yum Brands, utilizing a consumer data platform, has achieved higher engagement rates with targeted campaigns and is pursuing aggressive growth in emerging markets and plant based offerings. McDonald's leverages its loyalty program for precision value through personalized promotions to boost marketing efficiency and customer retention, reinforcing its focus on consistency and affordability. Yum Brands and McDonald's are leveraging digital integration and strategic supply chain partnerships, such as those with Beyond Meat, to enhance operational efficiency and profitability. While both powerhouses utilize sophisticated digital ecosystems to streamline ordering and food flows, they differ in their organizational focus. Yum Brands use Byte platform to translate global scale and cross brand data into franchise returns, whereas McDonald's focus on a unified digital stack to create a frictionless customer experience. Ultimately, these strategies allow both companies to convert high-tech information flows into sustainable growth and competitive marketing synergies across their global portfolios. Yum Brands' easy to run and operate technology strategy serves as a powerful leverage point by streaming complex restaurant operations into a cohesive, high efficiency ecosystem. By integrating omnichannel platforms for a unified customer journey and leveraging AI driven personalization to meet the 2026 demand for individualized dining experience, the strategy shifts the focus from manual management to data led growth. Also, the implementation of operational automation minimizes administrative burdens, allowing franchisees to reduce overhead and prioritize service quality over back office logistics. To successfully integrate Little Greek Fresh Grill into the Yum ecosystem, the organization must prioritize a unified operational culture that respects the brand's unique identity through a structured divisional model. By adopting a brand led global division approach, LGFG can leverage Yum's centralized shared service for backend functions like finance and legal while maintaining its distinct market presence. This integration is further strengthened by the creation of knowledge trust hubs where cross functional squads bridge the gap between Yum's world class franchise training system and the specific culinary nuances of Mediterranean food preparation, ensuring operational excellency without losing brand authenticity. Transitioning LGFG from a regional to a global supply chain leverages Yum's extensive network to achieve immediate economies of scale, significantly reducing procurement costs for core ingredients such as proteins and produce. Also, the integration allows for enhanced vertical integration by utilizing existing biomanufacturing partnerships to develop sustainable, specialized ingredients. Ultimately, this strategic shift optimized the cost structure while securing a more resilient and technologically advanced supply chain for the brand. To scale Little Greek effectively, the integration strategy focused on balancing operational efficiency with brand authenticity by phasing in corporate systems while preserving the local culture. This involves simplifying the franchisee experience through consolidated technology dashboard and ensuring product quality through a dual sourcing supply strategy during the transition to larger vendors. From a marketing manager perspective, I propose Yum Brands acquires Little Greek Fresh Grill to diversify its portfolio into the high growth, health conscious Mediterranean segment. The integration strategy involves four key pillars: leveraging Yum's franchise model for rapid, low risk global expansion through royalty fees and rent, implementing Yum's proprietary digital tools to enhance operational efficiency in LGFG locations, and consolidating procurement into Yum's unified supply chain to negotiate better commodity prices, targeting significant cost reductions. It is a business strategy where Little Greek Fresh Grill leverages Yum's extensive scale and AI capabilities to secure competitive advantage, enhance customer satisfaction, and ensure long-term sustainability through inclusive and responsible growth initiatives. Yum Brands intends to transform Little Greek Fresh Grill into a global Mediterranean leader by 2030. This strategy leverages the 2026 Food Trends Report to meet rising demand for everyday customizable meals while using Yum's operating scale to aggressively expand the health forward brand into new international markets.